Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos remains optimistic that his side can secure a place in the knockout stages of the 2026 FIFA World Cup, insisting their fate is still firmly in their own hands. Heading into the final group match, South Africa's 1-1 draw with Czechia in Atlanta on Thursday kept their qualification hopes alive. The result means Bafana Bafana will advance to the round of 32 if they defeat South Korea in Monterrey on Wednesday, provided Czechia fail to beat Mexico in their final group fixture. Broos was clear in his post-match assessment. His team cannot rely on other results, and said we didn't want to depend on anyone else. We just have to win against Korea. It will be very difficult, but if we play like we did today with the same mentality, it is possible. For the second match in a row, Bafana Bafana conceded early, mirroring their opening defeat to Mexico. Against Czechia, South Africa were caught cold from a long throw-in that exposed defensive lapses, allowing Michael Tedilek to finish past goalkeeper Ronwen Williams. Broos admitted his frustration, pointing to repeated concentration errors that had been addressed in pre-match analysis, and said, "I was very angry in that moment. We spoke about being focused from the first minute. We knew about their long throw, but we weren't concentrated enough. At this level, you pay for those mistakes." The goal came after Czechia exploited a set-piece routine, punishing Bafana Bafana's defensive disorganization inside the box. Despite the early setback, South Africa grew into the contest and produced a disciplined, energetic performance against a physically imposing Czech side. Their persistence was rewarded late on when Teboho Mokoena converted a penalty with 7 minutes remaining to secure a vital point. Broos praised his players' response, highlighting their improvement after their opening match, and said, "I'm very proud of the team. This is the reaction we wanted after the Mexico game. We played good football, we were aggressive, and we created chances. We deserved more." However, he also acknowledged the physical challenge posed by Czechia, noting their direct approach and aerial strength, which forced Bafana Bafana into constant defensive duels. With everything to play for, Bafana Bafana now turned their attention to a decisive clash against South Korea. A win would keep their knockout hopes alive, especially if Czechia fail to overcome Mexico in their final group match. Broos remains confident but realistic. The performance must improve further if South Africa are to progress in the tournament. For Bafana Bafana, the equation is simple: win in Monterrey and hope elsewhere goes their way. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.